Oh, did you know Joseph Stalin would remove the people he did not like from the photos? Joseph Stalin, the Soviet leader, indeed utilized image manipulation as a tool for propaganda and to erase individuals from historical records or photographs during his reign. Stalin's regime was marked by intense censorship and control over information, including visual media. Stalin understood the power of images in shaping public perception and used photo alteration techniques to rewrite history and eliminate political rivals or those who fell out of favor. The process of erasing individuals from photographs, newspapers, and other visual media involved skilled retouching by artists or photo editors. These experts employed various techniques, such as airbrushing, scratching, or carefully manipulating negatives to remove unwanted figures from images. Those who were purged or executed by Stalin's regime often found themselves erased not only from official documents and records, but also from photographs where they once appeared alongside Stalin or other leaders. People were literally airbrushed or cropped out, leaving gaps or altered scenes that attempted to rewrite historical narratives. This manipulation of visual records was part of Stalin's efforts to control information and shape the narrative of his leadership. By altering photographs, Stalin sought to portray an image of unity, strength, and leadership, erasing any traces of dissent or individuals who might challenge his authority. It's important to note that while Stalin's regime was infamous for such manipulations, similar practices of altering historical records or photographs for political purposes have been employed by other regimes throughout history. These acts demonstrate how visual representations can be manipulated to serve political agendas and rewrite historical truth. Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure, every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focus classes from 6 to 10, beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.